Hi everybody! Today we are going to talk about compost and composting. Do you make and use compost at home? Compost is nothing short of awesome. Compost is using food scraps and yard waste to make new food for our plants. It's like recycling. It may seem yucky to keep an old banana peel with leaves, but it's actually doing something. Have you ever seen an apple core change after you've eaten the apple? After a while, it gets all brown and kind of slimy and mushy. Eventually, it seems to sort of disappear. It doesn't really disappear. It decomposes. When something decomposes, it breaks down into tiny, tiny pieces. Decomposing is helped along by a group of living things called decomposers. That's a cool name because decomposers get their energy by breaking down plant materials that were once alive. That apple core was once part of an apple tree. Decomposers use this once living thing as their own food. They basically eat our garbage. We call these decomposers FBI. Another cool name, right? The FBI of compost is fungus, bacteria, and invertebrates. Fungi can show up in mushrooms like in these pictures. One of these pictures is from South O Gardens and the other is from various yards around the area. Bacteria can show up like in this moldy bread that I threw into my compost. And invertebrates are so tiny, some we can't even see. They have no backbone, which helps them squeeze into tight little places. Compost is full of nutrients. Our bodies use nutrients from what we eat to build a healthy body. Our gardens at South O need the compost nutrients to build an awesome, healthy garden. The benefits of compost. Composting reduces waste and the amount of garbage we generate. Composting reduces pollution. And it decreases the use of fossil fuels. Just a few of the great benefits of composting. When we mix everything together, compost is made. Let's go over how all these sort into two basic groups, greens and browns. Greens include all your food scraps and living plant materials, also human and pet hair. Your browns are dead plant materials, paper, dead leaves, small branches, straw, just to name a few. The greens that we put in our compost give the compost nitrogen, and the brown things that we put in our compost, they give it carbon. Do you know how I remember that? There's an EN in greens and an EN in nitrogen, and the letters BR and RB are in the browns. They're just backwards from one another. There's usually a 1-to-2 ratio, and it needs water. This is an example of what we don't put in our compost bins. This all came from our school's compost when we went to use it. Lots of fruit stickers and other crazy things that don't decompose. When compost is ready, it will look like soil, or as we say, brown gold. It's more than soil because it has all the waste packed inside of it that the hard work of the greens, the browns, and the FBI workers have done. It's recycled plants into new great nutrients for our gardens. It's a way of turning garbage into new healthy plants for our school. Compost is amazing! At South O, my house, and probably yours, we all have different kinds of compost bins. South O has row compost bins and a worm home, which is called vermicomposting. My worm bin is much smaller than the fantastic one that your school has. We'll talk about worms next. Compost bins can be square, round, tumblers. It doesn't really matter what it looks like as long as it can have good airflow and can easily be accessed. At home, I put all my yard waste and some kitchen scraps in my compost bin. The worms just can't eat all of the kitchen scraps we produce. I have a bucket with a lid in my kitchen and fill it up throughout the day. My wheelbarrow collects all my yard and garden waste, just like at school from the orchard and the vegetable garden. Hey, I hope you found composting as amazing as I do. Next time, we will look at all the great parts of worm composting, which is called vermicompost.
Man, what a great time we had in the school garden today.
We sure had a great time. We got our hands all dirty. We had great help. We got compost in the beds. It was an awesome day.
It's really fantastic to see how the compost helps the plants grow.
Such such great nutrients. What are you doing next week?
Next week, we're going to work on making recipes just a little bit healthier by adding some healthy ingredients to things we already eat.
We could all use that.
Absolutely. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next week.